In this video, I'm going to take you through a beginner's guide to the trading platform Trading 212. I'll show you how it works, how to buy and sell stocks with real money, or how you can practice first, plus how you can get a free share just by signing up. I'm Louise Elizabeth and welcome to Every Bit Helps. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk where related blog posts is also available. Also, this is not financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. Trading 212 is a London-based brokerage platform that aims to make trading accessible to everyone. The company started in 2006, allowing users to be able to trade in a variety of assets, including forex and currencies, gold, commodities, crypto, and stocks across their platform services. And the firm originally disrupted the stock brokerage industry by offering the first zero-commission stock trading service in the UK and Europe, unlocking and making the stock market accessible for millions of people, similar to the likes of Robinhood in the US. And they're a legitimate digital stockbroker authorised and regulated by the FCA, meaning that if the platform ever goes under, your investments are covered up to £85,000 under the Financial Services Compensation Scheme safety net. There are 3 products available by Trading 212, which are Invest, CFD and ISA, which you can access via their web-based platform or via their mobile app, which is available on Google Play or the App Store. Invest is the product that we'll be focusing on today, and with Trading 212 Invest, you can perform free investing in real stocks and ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, with zero commission and zero fees. And this Invest service is definitely more aimed at beginners, and they have a minimum deposit and withdrawal amounts for as little as £1, $1 or €1. Plus, there are no deposit or withdrawal fees or currency conversion and commission charges. Trading 212 adopts a freemium model, similar to mobile games that are free to download but have in-app purchases. And they do this in the hope that some customers will pay for additional services that it develops down the line. And another feature to attract new users to sign up is when you sign up using a referral link, you'll receive up to £100 of a free stock. And you can find my link in my blog or the summary below. Compared to the likes of Hargreaves Lansdown, who I use and who are one of the most popular trading platforms in the UK, this certainly comes out cheaper in terms of fees for trading. For example, with Hargreaves Lansdown, you incur admin fees and a charge of £11.95 per trade, which may not sound like a huge amount, but if you're regularly trading, these can certainly add up. Then they have Trading 212 CFD, or Contract for Difference, where you can trade stocks, forex, indices and more, all at zero commissions and tight spreads. Trading 212 CFD includes the ability to trade cryptocurrencies. Now, if you are looking to invest into crypto for the long term, I personally wouldn't recommend buying it on the likes of Trading 212 or Revolut, and that's because you don't have access to your private keys and less control over your funds. However, I've got plenty of information and videos on my website at everybithelps.co.uk, or feel free to send me a message and I can point you in the right direction. Now, this is a more advanced system, and they also state on their website that CFDs are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. And 76% of retail investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs with this provider, so this wouldn't be for beginners. Then finally, they have their Trading 212 ISA, where you can invest tax-free in zero-commission stocks and shares ISA. We'll go into the web trading platform now, and as I said, I'm going to be focusing on Trading 212 Invest for beginners today. But if you want me to cover more advanced topics and features, just let me know and I'll cover this in future videos. When you do go through the sign up, click on my link below and you'll get your free stock once you've deposited as little as £1. And then you'll be asked for your personal details such as your name, address and national insurance number if you're in the UK, which is pretty simple and quick to do. But I'm going to go ahead and log in now as I've already got an account. And one of the first things you're going to want to do is deposit funds to trade with. So what I'm going to do is show you that now. So to deposit, if you click onto deposit funds in the top left hand corner here, And you can make payments via bank transfers, credit and debit cards, Skrill, and Google Pay. Now, they do state that credit or debit card payments should take roughly about 10 minutes, although I actually did a payment which was absolutely instant. And they state that bank transfers may take up to 2 business days. And you can also set up and schedule automatic recurring payments. Then to enter the deposit amount, you simply move the slider to the amount that you wish to choose, or you can simply type in the amount as well. You then want to check the box to confirm. And if you've already entered in your credit card details, you can automatically pay. Or you would click onto Next and be prompted to enter in your payment details. At the time of this recording in 2020, the market is pretty volatile right now. So if you're a beginner and you're not quite ready to trade yet, what's really handy is having something called a practice mode, which you can find under your settings on the right hand side, and then going down to switch to practice. And from here, you can trade and get used to buying and selling without having to commit your own money. And you'll be given 50,000 of your chosen currency, which will be available in your portfolio. Everything else from the screen is exactly the same, other than the fact that it's not the money that you've deposited. And just be careful when you switch back to real money, which you can do in the top left-hand corner here, as you're more likely to take risks in a virtual environment when it's not your own money. Now, from the main screen here, we can go ahead and we can search for shares or what they call instruments. So if you find a stock that you would like to invest in, you can click on to search for the instrument or stock using the magnifying glass to select your choice. You can then view information in here about that instrument. So you'll see a graph through periods of time and showing you the market values. You can see information in relation to that stock. So you can take a look at the trading information. You can see the properties and what the market name is, the currency, and the minimum traded quantity, which will determine if you can buy a fraction of a share, which I'm going to show you shortly. You can then add that to your watch list, or you can open chart to view that information in a larger screen. Then when you're ready to buy, click on to buy on the right hand side of the screen underneath the name of your stock. Then you can use the slider to enter the amount that you would like to purchase. Or alternatively, you can click onto the icon on the right here and then type in the amount that you would like to buy. And this could be a whole share or a fractional share, which is basically a fraction of a share. Now, with fractional shares, you can invest very small amounts and own even some of the most expensive stocks. And I'll give you a quick example now. So if I head over to Hargreaves Lansdown, the minimum trade quantity is a whole share. So if I were to purchase an Amazon share here, that would cost me $2,433. When I go to buy one share, there are also additional costs such as commission and FX charges. And on the right is the price that we have for Amazon on Trading 212. But of course, over on Hargreaves Lansdown, we also have to pay those extra fees on top. So I'm going to be paying an extra £31 on top of the share price. And this may be too much for someone who's just getting started with trading. However, as you can see with Trading 212, with the same share you can buy a fraction for as little as £1.90. And this can also happen for the likes of Google, Tesla and Apple too. Now obviously the stock that you want to invest in will need to have a minimum traded quantity of less than 1 to be able to do this. And as I showed you, you can find that under the stock information. Now just going back to my buy order, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I'm going to purchase 0.5 of a share. Then you can select from a market, a limit, a stop, or a stop limit order. However, for the purposes of this beginner's tutorial, we're just going to select a market order which will execute immediately at the current price. But you can also create that limit, stop, and stop limit orders, which I'll cover off in separate tutorials. And as you can see, that 0.5 of a share is going to be costing me roughly £949. What I then want to do is review my order. And as you can see here, it gives me a summary, so it shows me my order type, number of shares, and an estimated cost, which as you can see, is currently changing. Now, Trading 212 can't actually guarantee what that price is going to be, and that's because the market is open and the price may move between now and when the order actually hits the order book, as the prices are constantly changing. But once you're happy, you can see that your commission is free, and you can then click on to Send by Order. And the order will then place, and your share or instrument will then show in the bottom half of the screen here under your portfolio. So at the moment, we're on the Open Positions tab. However, you also have a Pending Orders tab for any orders you are currently awaiting to be completed. And you also have price alerts in here. So you can set up price alerts for different types of instruments too. Now, if we head back over to our Open Positions tab, then if we hover over our Amazon stock, you'll see here that you have the option to buy more, or if you want to lock in your profits, you can sell. Then again, to sell, you want to state how much you want to sell. You can then say what type of order you want to place, whether or not that be a market limit, stop, or stop limit order. You can then review your order, check out the price, and click on to Send Sell Order. Then once you've familiarised yourself with the platform and you're ready and feel confident, you can go ahead and live trade or trade with your own money just by going back to Switch to Real Money. And as I said, all the screens and the features are the same here. However, you will obviously have the option to withdraw once you've sold your instruments and locked in your profits. And all withdrawals are free, but your withdrawal will only be paid out using the same method you originally used to fund your account. So to withdraw, what you want to do is click onto the icon on the top right hand corner that looks like an arrow going down. Then if you go to Manage Funds and choose Withdraw Funds, you may then be prompted to enter in your password for your account, and they state that all withdrawals are executed within 2 business days. So that was my beginner's guide to Trading 212 Invest. I personally really like Trading 212. It's very clean, intuitive and easy to use, especially for beginners who can start investing with small amounts. I currently have a portfolio with Hargreaves Lansdown, and although I'm not looking to move it across, I will be using Trading 212 as I'm looking to buy individual shares for dividends and dollar cost averaging due to their low fees. At the current cost of £11.95 per trade to buy and sell with Hargreaves Lansdown, it's just a bit too much. However, although you have the benefits of low costs and trades, you will sacrifice the variety of stocks and ETFs available on Trading 212. And as I said, if you do want to take advantage of their free stock offer, then all you need to do is sign up using my referral code below, create an account for Trading 212 or ISA, and make a deposit, and both you and I will receive a free stock within 24 hours. Once you receive that stock, you can go ahead and sell it if you want. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.